Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove an article from your blog in HostSinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostsinger.com, log into your HostSinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to your website on HostSinger website builder, click on Edit Website. This is my website in HostSinger website builder, and to remove an article from my blog, it's simple. Click on blog and you will see all your available blog posts or articles in your blog. So first let's give this blog a visit. Go to blog, and here as you see I have this let's delete this Dubai blog post. So how to do this? Next to the article that you want to delete or remove, click on these three dots and select delete. As you see, deleted blog posts are no longer available and will be permanently deleted. You can click on click on this delete button, and just like that it will be deleted or removed from this list. Now don't forget to update your website from here to publish this new change. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about HostSinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with HostSinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with HostSinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, HostSinger web hosting, HostSinger WordPress, and also HostSinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And just like that, it will be deleted or removed from this list. Now don't forget to update your website from here to publish this new change. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to blog, and as you see, no more Dubai blog posts. And this is, as you see, this is the before and this is the after. And this is how to remove an article from your blog in HostSinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.